guys, today we're doing the Monster Truck Challenge. So me and Eden both have 5 monster trucks each, and we're gonna take turns of flipping them. So these are all their names: Kraken. So these are all their names: Kraken, Megarex, Flash, Full Charge, and Wonder Woman. L, yeah, L, L, O, yeah, Superman, Donald, Batman. I win. No, I'm gonna win. No, I'm gonna win. No, I'm gonna win. So guys, it's round 1. Yay! So Eden's gonna go first for the first round. Did he land? He did it! Okay, so now it's my turn. I got Wonder Woman. Don't know. Yes! Okay. I got Full Charge, a pink one. Woo! Yes! Did he land? I got Flash. He should go very far. Okay. Oh! So this is our last round. Go. Yes, and my last monster truck, Kraken. Yes, sir! Yes! Let's count which ones I got. I got 1, 2, and 3. Eden got 1, 2. So I win! I win! Did Superman even land, or did I just put it? I don't know. Well, I can't remember. But I think I won this round. We don't know who's who because Eden wants to sit on my side. So 1, 2, 4. Okay, there you go. All of these are mine on the floor. I hope I win again. How much do I have? 1, 2, 3. I win. Last one. Okay, let me line them up. Time for round 2. Go on. Oh, Superman. Oh. Okay, I got El Toro Loco. Yes! Full Charge. Oh, 1. Okay. Oh. Yeah. Oh, that just did karate. Oh, that one did roly-poly, roly-poly. Okay. Flash. Oh, Flash. So I just damaged my dad's knee. Let's see. I think that's mine. So Dulce's. This one I remember is El Toro Loco. Is it? Is that Eden's or mine? Okay, that's Eden's. Okay. I think both of us won this round. Well, one of won. So this is the last round. So let's see who wins this round. Because last round, because last round, me and Eden had a draw. Well, he's just been saying this for the last 20 minutes now. Okay, now we're gonna flip them. Good start. It's a good start so far. I got Flash. Yes! You can now. Charge should get me good. Now, if you don't damage my dad's knee anymore, I will. But well done. I think Wonder Woman's gonna be good. Come on. Oh, she's bad. She's bad. Go. Try again. There we go. Oh, well, my turn. Superman's the last one. Okay, let's count them. Okay, so now we're going to count them. So, Eden, did you get... Okay, I think these two are mine. So, this is my one. This is my side. This is Eden's side. It was a draw. It was a draw. Look. Eden and me won. This is mine and Eden. What's he doing? Well, because I won the first round, I win the whole thing. Well, because I'm the winner, I win these crunchy rocks, but I'm going to share them with my brother. If you like this video, please give a like and subscribe. Bye! Say bye!